Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to all English learners. Dear learners, this lecture is presented by MD Shamsul Haq, lecturer, Department of English, Harbaid Darul Ulum Degree Madrasa, Gazipur. So my learners, today's lecture is on without clue related questions. That means fill the blanks with appropriate word. It is word related questions. In this case, students will not get any word in the box. There will be only blank, and considering the meaning and grammatical point, students will have to put or set the words according to grammar, and so that it can be taken appropriate meaning according to the passage. Now we are going to the example. The first example, there goes a proverb, child is dash of the man. In first example, after be verb, we know that generally comes adjective or noun. So here the proverbs, father is the child of a man, we heard many times. So we can use here father. We can see the answer of this gap. Yes, father. There goes a proverb, child is father of the man. Now we are going to the next slide. Today's child is the dash of a nation. After modifier or article, there may be an appropriate noun. Today's child is the dash of a nation. Leader maybe, or any other words also. We can see the answer. Yes, leader. Today's child is the future of a nation, or leader of a nation, or precursor of a nation. Precursor means pioneer or outstanding figures. Okay, we are going to the third example. He will dash the country. He will dash the country. This gap place is for a principal verb. So the principal verb must be from the transitive verb, because there is a noun phrase as an object. So we can use here, he will lead the country, or he will guide the country, or he will dominate the country, and so many words can be. We can see the answer, lead, guide, or govern. He will lead the country, he will guide the country, he will govern the country. So it is very easy to understand if you read grammatical points and knows a lot of vocabulary. Dear learners, we are going to the fourth example. The whole dash depends on their proper dash. The whole dash depends. So it is a noun, because depends on is a verb. So the whole nation, whole country may be, because the determiner whole pre-modifier as adjective, and this will be the keyword noun. So we can see the first gap answer. Okay, the whole nation or country depends on their proper leading hote pare, guidance hote pare, and so many words can be here. Okay, leading, guidance, or leadership. So my learners, we are going to see the example 5. It is our fundamental dash. It is our fundamental dash to rouse their dash talent. After to, it will be better to use here rise. Perhaps has been written wrongly, rise, which will be infinitive. Sorry for that. So it is our fundamental duty or responsibility, maybe. We can see the answer, duty or responsibility to raise their latent talent or hidden talent. Okay, we can see the answer of the second gap. Inward talent, latent talent, hidden talent, dormant. All the words give the meaning of supto. ট্যালেন্ট মানে মেধা, সুপ্ত মেধার বিকাশ ঘটানোর জন্য তার গার্ডিয়ানদের রেসপন্সিবিলিটি নিতে হয়। So, dear learners, we are in the sixth example. A sound environment is dash. We can use here an adjective. A sound environment is essential both in the family and in the society so that a child can grow up or can be brought up physically, mentally, or spiritually. So the first gap answer is a sound environment is essential or required or necessary both in the family and in the society so that a child in this gap answer will be can grow or can be brought up physically, mentally and spiritually অর্থাৎ যেন তারা শারীরিকভাবে মানসিকভাবে এবং আধ্যাত্মিকভাবে সুন্দরভাবে বেড়ে উঠতে পারে in example 7 only then it will be dash. Of course here will be an adjective. It will be possible to build up a beautiful and developed country. Only then তখনই এটা সম্ভব হবে একটা সুন্দর উন্নয়নশীল রাষ্ট্র গঠন করা so possible or easier answer in next slide example 8 there are two gaps here Abdul Qadir and Adiatullah are regular dance class participator while others are averse or adverse to do that অর্থাৎ আব্দুল কাদের এবং আদিয়াতুল্লাহ ক্লাস পার্টিসিপেটর হেয়ার রেগুলার বলা যেতে পারে যেহেতু অনলাইনের যুগ আমরা অনলাইন ইউজ করতে পারি যখন বা অন্য ক্ষেত্রে অন্যথায় হোয়াইল ইউজ করতে পারি সো ইন দ্য ফার্স্ট গ্যাপ দ্য আনসার ইজ অনলাইন class participator that means Abdul Qadir and Adiatullah are online class participators it will be better to write here an S while in next gap it will be while others are averse to do that বা অর্থাৎ আব্দুল কাদের এবং আদিয়াতুল্লাহ যেখানে নিয়মিত অনলাইন ক্লাস পার্টিসিপেটরস সেখানে অন্যরা এর থেকে বিমুখ now we are going to the example 9 I think in future there will be dash and dash citizen for the next dash there are 3 gaps here for the first gap I think in future there will be here must be an adjective so answer is honest or exact and true or real or perfect citizen in gap 2 answer will be a true citizen or appropriate citizen for the next here will be a noun for the next generation আমরা ইউজ করতে পারি so the third example is generation dear learners we are going to the example 10 perhaps people will be dash benefited for their dash and dash so best wishes to them people will be here will be an adjective because here may be used an appropriate adverb benefited is an adjective will be so we can see the answer exactly or appropriately benefited যথাযথভাবে মানুষ উপকৃত হবে for their dash and honest dash for their এখানে একটি অ্যাডজেক্টিভ ইউজ করতে পারি appropriate হতে পারে অথবা exact হতে পারে so answer is appropriate and honest here will be the services noun দরকার or other words may be used yes services so it is very essential for everybody to be honest and it is the responsibility of the parents to make a child to be honestly brought up So my learners, we are in the last position of the class. See you again in next lecture. Be good, be happy, and try to be a good participator in all my classes, and practice more to gear up your future. Be careful for the pandemic situation. So lot of thanks to all.